everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me in my YouTube adventures. Hello, my sweet friends. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. I hope your week was fantastic. So, first off, I would like to say thank you for all the love and support and well wishes on the last video. My family and I are doing much better. I'm doing much better. Angela's doing much better. And Dad is slowly getting there. He's doing a lot better, but he's still trying to recuperate. Okay, guys. So this is a whole bunch of stuff in this video. A little bit of decorating, a little bit of shopping, a little bit of everything. I just wanted to come on, jump on and say hi and see you guys and connect with you guys because I love it. Okay, now you know I got the green light to go out and do and be amongst the people. So I did, and I did it safely. Just so you all know. I needed a few things. I needed like groceries and stuff like that because we hadn't bought any groceries. So I stopped at Target, and I want to show you something. I want to show you this. Isn't this so nice? Now, it's not fall, but to me, this screams fall. And if you've been with me and in my channel for a long time, you will know that I love this kind of Burberry plaid look. Guys, this is from the Threshold brand. It's a 50 by 50 tablecloth. It's very pretty. Look at the colors, isn't they nice? Great for fall. Black, no, sorry, not black. Brown, dark brown. I guess that's black. Is that black? Okay, maybe dark gray. Dark gray, looks like black on film, and it is dark gray in real life. The browns and stuff, and I love that. And I love a square tablecloth on a round table. So you can see my table back there, my kitchen table back there. That's where I'm gonna use this. That's where I'm gonna use, but I bet you it would look really nice also draped in the dining room. So I don't know where I'm gonna use it. I don't know, I'll find a spot. But I loved it, and it was only $20. So when I was picking up groceries, I did that. Then I went to I went to Hobby Lobby, and I shouldn't have bought anything. I actually technically shouldn't have not bought not one thing, but I did. I bought some florals, and I'm gonna show them to you right now. Okay, so I shouldn't have bought anything. Seriously, I should have refrained and not bought a single thing. But I saw these and they were so beautiful. I don't know, they just screamed fall. They were so pretty. They're so organic. I love this mossy green. They were $5.99 with 50% off, and I got 4 of them. And I'm thinking, well, I mean, I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna use them yet. But I have an idea for my fireplace. And I'm gonna take you off the tripod today, and I'm gonna show you the update, a little bit of update of the house, and show you what I'm gonna be doing throughout the weekend. So I got 4 of these. So if you're interested in these girls, Hobby Lobby, fantastic buy. And this is kind of the mood I'm going with. Let me put these down, and I'll show you these ones. Now, last year, I picked up one of these, and they're very expensive. They're originally $16.99, and I got one last year. I don't know why I got one. Don't ask me why I got one last year, but I got one more. So now I have 2. And I love these. I love these. I think they're beautiful. But don't buy this when it's regular price, because $16.99 is really a lot of money for this. So at 50% off, not bad. I love the colors. I love these muted colors. That's what I want to use this year. So if you're wondering what I want to do for fall, it's like these kind of colors. This is the colors I like. With Burberry thrown in, I think it'll look really good. Okay, now, I am in Southwest Florida. So, you know, the bright oranges and the bright like mustards and the bright colors, I don't think are going to look great in my home and my environment. So I saw this pick, and I never seen this pick before, and I thought, oh, this is a pretty pick. And I love these blueberries and this kind of sagey muted pumpkin that's like a little bit distressed, and the leaves. I thought this was great. $6.99. I got two of them. $6.99 with 50% off. Or was fall 40? Maybe fall was 40. Yeah, maybe 40. Now that I think about it. Okay. And then the last thing I got are two of these. Love these. Okay. I'm obsessed with this kind of paper flower thing. I don't know why. I have been for a while, and I love it in different seasons. Okay, so what these are, it's paper. This is paper. And then this is kind of like a felt. Yeah. And they're wired, and obviously. And then this part here is a synthetic, so it's like plastic. But I love these because you can spread them out so much, and you get such a big bang for your money. And this one is the bigger pick, and they have the smaller one in this also. But can you imagine this in an arrangement or a wreath or something? Now, I'm gonna make some wreaths for fall. I'm gonna revamp my outdoor, the front, not the back. The back, I'm gonna always leave it coastal because I kind of like that. And at Christmas time, I'm gonna do Christmas coastal. So you guys will have to wait and see for that, for the back, the screened in porch. Okay, these were $9.99 and either 40 or 50% off. So I lied. I don't know if they were 40 or 50, but what I wanted to buy one. I actually went for this particular thing. Let me show it to you. Okay, guys, I'm gonna flip the camera around in a minute or so, and I'm gonna show you why I bought this and where I wanna put it. So first of all, my home doesn't have a front hallway closet. And when you walk in the house, you're basically walking into the living room. You know, it's not a very big house. We've established this already. It's okay. We're making do with it. I like it. It's actually quite cozy. It's not bad. It's not what I'm used to. I have to say that. There might be another house in the future, but we'll wait on that. For right now, we're here. I'm making the best of it. So there's no front hallway closet, and I thought to myself, well, build one, Bella. But then I thought, well, the way that I wanted to build it, it's gonna stick out like a big sore thumb. So then I thought, okay, I'm just gonna get some hooks. Well, I found this at Hobby Lobby. Guys, look at this. This is so pretty. So it's in their shelf department. Well, let me put it this way. Maybe you could see it better. Okay. So I love this. I love the old world of this. I think it's very beautiful. Fits into my style. I love these giant substantial hooks. So we can put our purses on and, you know, like our little jacket or something. Because again, we're not going to have big winter jackets here and big snowy boots and stuff like that. So then I thought, do I really need a closet? So anyways, that was my thinking. I don't know. You guys leave me a comment down below and tell me, do you think I should build a closet or, you know, do something like this? And then it has a very substantial shelf. So I thought, okay, I have this, I have an idea of how I want to decorate it. Put like a little bowl or something to put our keys in and stuff like that. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take you off the tripod and I'm gonna show you the fireplace. Now I haven't decorated it, I just put stuff up. I wanna decorate it with you guys, but you can see it there. And I'm gonna give you an idea of what it looks like when you come in the house. So I'm gonna take you off the tripod right now and I'll be right back. Okay guys, here's an update. So this is when you walk in the front door, this is what you see. And as you can see up there, all up there, I have not finished painting. I haven't finished painting any of this. So this is still, ooh, sorry about that. It's still a work in progress. And then when you walk in, you see the eating area down there. And now I moved my fireplace to over here. Oh, and I see there's greenery on the floor. Okay, so I love the fireplace. I think where I put it is really, really nice. I think it turned out really great. You can see the wall unit reflecting in it. And I'm gonna flip you around and you can see the wall unit. So there's the wall unit now. And that's where I was filming. Okay, so I think it's coming together. It just needs, I just need to finish the paint. And then, okay, so this is my double doors. So this is the entrance. And there's this really kind of tacky chandelier up there, but for right now, just leave it alone. I have so many other things to do. So I was thinking, because I'm gonna paint this wall, to put the shelf over here. I was thinking of putting the shelf there and then putting like a shoe rack underneath and try and make it as cute as possible. Because let me show you where my shoe rack is now, and here's some real life for you guys. I have my shoe rack here. Oh, and then that mop, I don't like it. I'm gonna take it back to Target, so that's why it's sitting at the front door. So let me give you an update in the dining room because I am gonna start working on this. So first things first, I have been looking for chandeliers for the dining room and the eating kitchen area. And you can see the table. This is real life, guys. There's still boxes, unfortunately. And I have more boxes over here. But what I did do is I finally got my hutch set up. And I have it set up the way I had it before. And I'm gonna paint in here this weekend and do some stuff like that. So there you get an idea. This is all gotta go. All this has gotta go. I wanna change it up already. And I need to add some candles there. And once I paint, and you can see the new paint color there, and sorry about the light ring. There's the new paint color. Once I think that the paint color goes in here, it will make everything look so much better. And I want to change out the vase. Okay, my sweet friends, what do you think? What do you think? There's so many things that still need to be done, right? And because we were sick, I didn't have a chance to do these. And I feel like I'm so far behind now. Like now I got to play catch up. So this weekend I'm going to be working quite a bit on getting all this done, especially finishing the painting. And then I want to get my fall stuff out. But before I get my fall stuff out, okay? So now I'm thinking I might go to the garage on the weekend if time permitting. And maybe I'll show you my fall stash on Monday. I don't know. But I want to do some end of summer, early fall videos. I want to incorporate some sunflowers and bring in some sunflowers into the house, like maybe change up the wall unit over there. I don't know. You guys give me some ideas. Would you like that kind of video? Would you like an end of summer, early fall, transition videos? Because I really want to play with my decor. I really, really want to play with my decor. I missed over decorating. You know me, I love to decorate. Anyway, so that's what's going on with me today and this weekend. So many things going on. So many things going on. And we got to get Angela ready for school. She starts school. She started cheer. Oh, I'm so happy. I love being a cheer mom, guys. I just love it. I love it. I love it. It's like my greatest joy. I love to see her do that kind of thing. Anyways, so that's that. And yeah, that's it, really. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. And thank you for spending time with me. I love it. I love connecting with you guys. I love showing you the things I'm doing. Listen, I think I'm going to up my videos. I want to try and do 4 videos a week because I got so many things I want to show you guys and so many things I want to do. So have a fantastic weekend. Do something you love. Always stay positive. A positive attitude is a grateful attitude, and gratitude brings on more positivity, which brings on better and better stuff always. So stay positive, stay prayed up, and I will see you on Monday. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Love you guys. Have a fantastic weekend. Bye, guys. Mwah.